Good morning, students. So let's start our social science assessment of today. That we have to discuss LP3. Before we start, get ready with your social content book, volume 2, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Take 2 minutes of time, pause the video, take all these items. So LP3, types of maps. Aim of this LP3 is to identify different types of map. The keywords which are includes political, physical, thematic. So students, in LP1 and LP2 we have discussed about the maps. Why we need map? We need a map to locate the places, right? So today we will explore our knowledge about the maps. So what are the different types of map we will discuss today. So here one map I have taken. You can see some of the symbols which I have marked. First one is India. You can see that we called as title of the map. Okay. Next one, you can see the direction has been geared here upside. Next, downside you can see legend box, right? Last one, it is scale. Okay. So these are the symbols you can see on the map. Okay. So this map, you can see which country is this, and what are the marks is it necessary on the map. Okay, yes, these all maps are necessary to identify which map is this and which direction it is also located here. Okay, the downside you can see the legend box. It shows what this map has been included. Okay, these all things. Scale also you can see how many kilometer is there, like that it has been given. Okay, so students, can we able to locate everything like rivers, landforms, oceans, states and capital, everything has been given in one map. Can we able to read that map? No, it is not possible to show everything in single map, right? So that to show different features we have the different maps. So let's go for those maps. Here you can see first map, right? Second map, third one. So the first map you can see it has shown the states and capitals of India, right? The second one you can see landforms like Thar desert area, Aravalli hills you can see here, right? Downside of Thar desert. Then Himalaya ranges also you can see. Then next you can see the islands. You can see the Deccan Plateau downside here, right? This is the physical map that we call. Next one, this is an example of thematic map. Okay, I have taken the example of railway network. So students, what are these three maps includes means, first one, political map. If you see the political map, you can find out countries, states and cities. Next one, physical map means you can find out the landforms like mountain, river, plain areas, Deccan plateaus, islands. These all you can easily find out in physical map. Next, third one is thematic map. You can find out roads means national highways and railway network also you can see. Which type of soil we can find out in particular area, that also vegetation, right? These all things we can find out in thematic map, right? So to make easier to read the map, we have three types of map. Now here all of you open S3. The first question has been given. Write date, students. You can also see the symbols in the map, right? Direction given here, 1 centimeter equals to 100 kilometer, you can see, right? That is the scale. Next one is here, it is a legend box. Okay, so here what is included in this map you can read and find out in the legend box, right? So first one you can see state capital, diamond shape, diamond mark is there, that is state capital. Circle is district capital. Then river, mountain vegetation, mangrove vegetation, deciduous vegetation, swamp, rainfall and iron. So These all things we can see in the map. Okay, so students, it is any one type of map? No, the map, it includes so many different features. Now how many maps you can find out in this? That is your question. See here, how many types of maps can we create using the map given above? So now what you have to do, you have to write the map name. Example, political map. Now you have to write the features which are included in the political map. Here example I will give: political map, state capital, district capital. Then next you have to go through the physical map. Physical map, what will come dear? Rivers, mountain vegetation, mangrove vegetation, right? Like this you can write. Next other things you write by your own students. Okay, now we will go to the classwork that you have to write. First thing you have to write true or false. Last you can skip and write at the last. After finishing all question answers, you can write the true or false. Next, sixth question you have to write what are the different types of maps that we have discussed. That only you have to write. Next one, fifth one also you have to write what are thematic maps. Okay, hope you have understood, students. Now go for the LP4 next video.